Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. IKEA renovate for its innovation and functional designs, extend its expertise seamlessly into bathroom design, creating a space that blends form and function. The IKEA bathroom designs extremify simplicity and elegance, providing a harmonious balance between aesthetics and practicality. In an IKEA bathroom, clean lines and contemporary elements merge effortlessly, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The thoughtfully designed storage solutions make the most of limited space, ensuring a clutter-free environment. From sleek vanities to space-saving shelving units, IKEA offers a diverse range of options to suit various tastes and preferences. The use of sustainable materials and energy-efficient solutions understand IKEA's commitment to both style and environmental responsibility. Their attention to detail extends to every aspect, from modern fixtures to well-designed accessories, elevating the overall bathroom experience. Customizing is at forefront of IKEA's bathroom design philosophy, allowing individuals to personalize their spaces according to their unique lifestyle. The result is not just a bathroom, it's a sanctuary that reflects individual tastes while providing practical solutions for daily routines. With IKEA bathroom designs, functionality, and aesthetics, Colon seamlessly transforming an essential space into a place of relaxation and rejuvenation, whether it's a compact powder room or a spacious master bath. IKEA's versatile designs cater to diverse needs, ensuring a harmonious blend of style and functionality in every bathroom. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.